Praise ye the Lord on this morning. The word on today is found in Matthew, the 15th chapter, the 21st verse, all the way through to the 28th verse. And above it, it talks about a Canaanite woman's faith. A Canaanite woman's faith. Let's see, I'm finna read it. Then Jesus went thence and departed into the coast of Tyre and Sidon. And behold, a woman of Canaan came out of the same coast and cried unto him, saying, Have mercy on me, O Lord, thou son of David. My daughter is grievously vexed with the devil. But he answered her not a word. And his disciples came and besought him, saying, Send her away, for she cried after us. But he answered and said, I am not sent but unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel. Then came she and worshipped him, saying, Lord, help me. But he answered and said, It is not meet to take the children's bread and to cast it to dogs. And she said, Truth, Lord, yet the dogs eat of the crumbs which fall from their master's table. Then Jesus answered and said unto her, O woman, great is thy faith. Be it unto thee even as thou wilt. And her daughter was made whole from that very hour. So that's the word of the Lord. And one day, Samson, you can let him stay out because that's what I was going to show them about Samson. One day, Samson, he was trying his best to get real close to my husband. And we was trying to hurry up and get our grandchildren, put in the car seats, buckled down with the seat belts. And we was trying to hurry up and get them out and get all the necessary things out to take them home to their mother. And so it was a chore just to do that. It was a challenge because Samson definitely wanted to stay close to my husband. So we kept, fussing at him and telling him, move out the way, Samson, move out the way. And so I said, God, it got to be a lesson in this, because I'm constantly trying to, tell this dog to move away, and this goes on. This been going on practically ever since we had Samson, and that's been years and years that we had Samson and Delilah. See, there you go. There goes Samson. And there goes Delilah.